just situations. I'm going to do another simple video today for mostly you newbies who work on Android boxes or have an Android box and you'd like to customize it a little bit more, especially for users who have the Nova launcher on your boxes. Again, this is for people who are fairly new, not for people who've been doing this a while, because most of you, if not all of you, already know how to do this. I'm going to teach you how to quickly. I'm going to show you how to change your background. This is my standard background right now. This is what I use. I like it. I like the cityscapes. But if you want to change it, you can basically go to your browser and search it. And there's several different ways you can get backgrounds. You can search, like New York Jets or whatever, if you're a fan of, or just type in 1280 by 1024 backgrounds or whatever subject. I mean, there's millions of them out there. So find something you like. You can actually download multiple ones, so you can switch them around a little bit. I've already downloaded a few. That if you have any questions on how to download, just shoot me a message. I'll tell you how. I don't want to extend this video any longer than I have to. So basically what you do is you'll go to your home screen. It's kind of like a computer. You hold down your left button, depending on what you're using, and you click Wallpapers. And boom. And you'll bring up different options. If you have any live wallpapers, themes and apps and programs, or you can pick an image of things you've downloaded. I've downloaded several. Couple. I've downloaded this one. Boom. It'll show you what it looks like. I like the concept here, but it's not the best. It looks like someone just kind of threw it together, but I do like the concept. I'll click back. And again, same thing. Didn't want to go that far back, but click Wallpapers again, and boom. Bring it up. You can search different areas of your, these are basically everything I've downloaded. I like this one, but I need to find a better size, because you see, I don't like it. It's too big. I like it if it was a little bit smaller, not spread out. And I'm sure there's one out there. You just have to find one that's right for you. If in a situation like this, I'm gonna go back again. Didn't need to go all the way back. I keep forgetting that it's still up there. So you go in here. I'm a Jets fan too. Don't hate. Yes, I admit I'm a Jets fan, and I have been a Yankees fan since I could say Yankees. And you basically do this stuff, and here's one, and you could do this, or you can go back, and we'll go ahead and set wallpaper. There you go. That's what it looks like. It's okay, not too bad. Again, you can even create your own if you're crafty. But if I want to go back, again, go back to the wallpapers, and we'll go back to live wallpapers. Let's see if I can find the one that I had. Sometimes it's a little tricky, because this is a live wallpaper. They're a little bit different. We'll go to settings. Let's see, is this the one that I use? The background image. No, this is not the one I use. See, I got a few on here. Let's see if it's, this might be it. Tell you in a second. Not it. And this is one that I've used. Here we go. This is the one I use. Excuse me. This has several different ones. So yeah, we're back to home the way it was. Again, this is a basic video, mostly for newbies, people who have used my boxes. Definitely something you need to know. But again, most of you probably already know. A lot of my subscribers are guys and girls that have been doing this a little while, but this is also for new people. We need to teach, and we're here to show you how to do things. So until next time, if you have any comments, like my video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Until next time, have a good day, good night, good weekend, depending on what day you are watching this. Thank you.